The ROSTZIP factory of induction steam generators has been a manufacturer and international supplier of the Titan series generators for more than 5 years. In this time span, our factory produced more than 350 steam generators that were successfully delivered to satisfied customers. The manufactured products undergo the full cycle of development, checkout and certification. We have accumulated a wealth of experience in developing innovative and cost-effective solutions for the food, cosmetics, pharmaceutical and other industries. Today, the ROSTZIP factory of induction steam generators is a full production cycle, high-tech equipment manufacturing enterprise producing reliable and high-quality products.
The Titan series induction steam generators have several key advantages, making them an ideal solution for any business. Specifically, the operation mode is reached within 30 seconds after powering up. It does not require any maintenance crew, minimizing the human factor. It does not contain tubular heating elements, electrodes, pressurized vessels, or any other frequent sources of equipment breakdown. It has 9 levels of protection and it's environmental friendly. Potential integration of the steam generator's control system with client company's automated control system. It also has a web interface allowing remote control via personal computers or mobile platforms, smartphones or tablets from anywhere in the world.
We value our reputation and are open for cooperation. The best personnel, professionals of their level, innovation, effective engineering and technical solutions. This is all the ROSTZIP plant of induction steam generators. We are working to bring your business ideas to life. Titan works, you earn.